Hi guys, this is the 5 best new cryptocurrencies to buy in 2022. Before that I need to subscribe in this video and like so. With almost 16,000 digital assets now in circulation, knowing which cryptocurrency to invest in can be challenging. Ultimately, more and more cryptocurrency investors are looking to catch that next big thing with the hope of generating huge returns. In this article, we explore the 5 best new cryptocurrencies to buy in 2022 alongside a quick overview of how you can find your own digital assets to invest in. Looking further afield, this article explores the 5 best new cryptocurrency to invest in 2022. 1. Lucky Block, overall best penny cryptocurrency to buy in 2022. Our research concluded that Lucky Block is the overall best new cryptocurrency to buy in 2022. In a nutshell, Lucky Block is looking to revolutionize the global lottery industry by bringing this age-old game of luck to the blockchain protocol. This project not only believes in fairness and transparency, but it guarantees these core principles through smart contract technology. Those engaging in the Lucky Block lottery game will also benefit from more favorable odds, not least because there is no requirement for third-party intermediaries. This will also result in faster payouts for those holding a winning virtual ticket. The team behind Lucky Block has big plans lined up in terms of global exposure and marketing, with advertisements already live on London tubes and buses. The best thing about this up-and-coming cryptocurrency is that the token is still in its pre-sale stage. And as such, you have the opportunity to purchase the Lucky Block token at a highly favorable price. If like us you believe that Lucky Block could be the best cryptocurrency to invest in 2022, we explain how to purchase this digital asset further down. 2. Yearn.finance, top cryptocurrency project that aims to decentralize financial service. Next up in our list of the best cryptocurrency to buy in 2022 is Yearn. Finance. Launched as recently as 2020, this project aims to decentralize financial services. It does this by removing the need to employ a third party when conducting traditional financial transactions. At the forefront of this is the Yearn.finance lending protocol. Put simply, those looking to borrow capital on a short-term basis can do so by putting up collateral in the form of cryptocurrency. And those funding loans on the Yearn.finance platform will earn interest in return for lending their capital out. In terms of its native token YE, it is trading at well over $30,000 per token as of writing. You can, however, invest from just $10 when using a regulated broker like eero, which supports fractional purchases. 3. Solana, one of the best performing cryptocurrencies over the past year. If you're wondering which cryptocurrency to buy in terms of token performance, look no further than Solana. Put simply, this blockchain project is seen by many as a potential rival to Ethereum. Largely, this is because Solana is able to facilitate transactions at a much faster rate and in a more scalable manner. Moreover, Solana is able to host decentralized applications just like Ethereum, albeit transaction fees are significantly lower. In terms of its price action, Solana was valued at just $2.40 per token in the 12 months prior to writing. In mid-2021, the token hit highs of $258. This translates into parabolic growth of over 10,000%. Solana has, however, dipped to $150-ish as of writing, so you now have the chance to make a purchase at a significant discount. 4. Shiba Inu, cheap cryptocurrency to buy with huge gains in 2021. Another cryptocurrency to consider adding to your portfolio in 2022 is Shiba Inu. This cryptocurrency, which was launched as recently as August 2021, was initially created as a meme coin to rival Dogecoin. The founders explained that those buying Shiba Inu would have the opportunity to make the same sort of gains that Dogecoin generated in early 2021. And to put it frankly, they were right. This is because Shiba Inu has increased the value of its token by millions of percentage points since it was launched. It can be somewhat challenging to evaluate the price of Shiba Inu at first glance, as this digital token is valued at a minute fraction of a cent. For instance, as of writing, one Shiba Inu token will cost you $0.00003028. This is great news for those that are wondering which cryptocurrency to invest in 2022 at a low entry price. At current prices, a $100 investment would get you over 3 million Shiba Inu tokens. 5. Dogecoin benefit from free token promotion by Elon Musk. Like all of the other cryptocurrencies that we have discussed thus far, Dogecoin had a tremendous 2021 in terms of token growth. In fact, at one point, Dogecoin was looking at gains of over 14,000% when it reached highs of 73 cents. Although this cryptocurrency project isn't new per se, it must be noted that Dogecoin remained flat for several years prior to the turn of 2021. But once Elon Musk made his views clear on Dogecoin, through various tweets and even TV show interviews, the markets reacted super positively. And much like the previously discussed Shiba Inu, Dogecoin is another digital asset that you can buy a huge number of tokens in without needing to break the bank. This market insight found that Lucky Block is potentially the best cryptocurrency to buy in 2022. This project is still in its pre-sale phase, so you have the opportunity to enter the market at a highly favorable price. Just make sure that you consider the risks when buying cryptocurrencies, as digital assets are highly speculative financial products. How to find the best new cryptocurrencies to buy in 2022. We mentioned earlier that as per CoinMarketCap, there are almost 16,000 digital tokens now in circulation. And as such, this means that the digital currency landscape has since become super overcrowded. As an investor looking to make above average gains, this makes it even more challenging to find the best new cryptocurrencies to buy. Although we have already discussed the 5 best projects currently. Concept. The first thing is to assess the overarching concept of the project. For instance, in the case of Lucky Block, the project is offering something that has never been done before: the decentralization of the global lottery industry. In choosing cryptocurrencies with a strong, unique, and viable concept, you are giving yourself the best chance possible of choosing that next big thing. Launch date. In a similar nature to stocks, buying a cryptocurrency as early as possible will often allow you to make the purchase at a highly favorable price. For instance, in the case of PancakeSwap, those that invested in the project in late 2020 would have paid just $1.10 per token. In comparison, those that entered the market in mid-2021 would have paid over $44. This is why it is worth considering a new cryptocurrency project like Lucky Block in its pre-launch phase as of writing. Another important consideration to make in your search for the best new cryptocurrencies to buy is the team behind the project. After all, many projects operating in this industry have an anonymous team, which should act as a major red flag. This is in stark contrast to projects like Lucky Block, which is home to a fully doxed and verifiable team. Please comment below if you liked video.